The Geely Galaxy V900 maintains its family-style exterior design. The front features a wide grille and split headlights, and is expected to feature an active grille. Combined with a roof-mounted lidar, this will support more advanced driver assistance features. Hidden door handles can be found on the side of the Geely Galaxy V900, indicating the presence of dual electric sliding doors. At the rear, the vehicle is equipped with a continuous taillight and a large rear window. According to publicly available data from the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, the Galaxy V900 measures 5,316 mm in length, 1998 mm in width, and 1940 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 3,180 mm. These figures are above the average for the current MPV market and provide a good basis for interior space planning. This vehicle is expected to be positioned as a mid to large-size MPV. The Geely Galaxy V900 can be equipped with a 1.5T range extender powertrain, capable of reaching a maximum power output of 120 kilowatts. The vehicle is also expected to be equipped with a 50 kWh CATL ternary lithium battery or a 43.3 kWh Vengchuang Innovation ternary lithium battery, providing a pure electric range of 202/195 km and 172/165 km, respectively. It's worth noting that the Geely Galaxy V900 will be available in two seating configurations: a 2+2+2 6-seater and a 2+2+2+2 8-seater. The 6-seater version is expected to feature sliding second and third row seats with adjustable backrests, but these cannot be folded or reversed. The rear trunk floor is recessed. The 8-seater version will feature second and third row seating arrangements similar to the 6-seater version, but the fourth row seats cannot be slid forward or backward. The backrests can be folded over the seat cushions, and once folded, the seats can be flipped back to fit completely into the recessed area of the rear cargo floor.